nature. So today, most times on Epic Nature, we usually talk about animals, but today we're going to talk about a plant called bryophytes, and it's an MSS. Well, it's a moss.
It's a moss.
It's a moss. Yeah, huh? Bryophytes are plants with no fruits, no anything, no seeds, and no roots. Don't even have flowers. They even do seeds.
Hold it up. Yeah, hold it up.
Hold it up like this by your face. Hold this.
The moss.
So they reproduce with spores.
They reproduce with spores.
One time, I grew some bryophytes all over my face like a beard. And they also don't have a vascular tissue, whatever that means.
Bryophytes can be mosses, liverworts, or hornworts. Mosses can be.
This is my life every day.